Oh, okay. That's like so college tour.
Right? Our view is so shitty. At Pierce's house. Airport fit. But we're about to get this trip on the road. It is 5:57. And we're about to leave. We made it to Miami. Waiting for Paris to get off the plane. Because my seat was in front of her. So I'm just kind of waiting for her right now. I don't know where she is because she was only 5 rows behind me. But one thing about me, I'm gonna get off the plane. I'm gonna rush myself off the plane. So now we just wait. I'm taking a video.
I look good.
Yeah, I know.
Wait on the Uber.
Waiting on the Uber. Yeah, she didn't speak English at all, and she was yelling at us on the phone. So hopefully, like, we can.
I didn't know if that was a nail. Okay.
We don't know what we're about to get into. Show them the nails.
Thank you, Kim.
Like, thank you, Kim. Thank you.
Here. We are touched down. Ain't no stopping us now.
Ain't no stopping us.
We finna change, pre-game, we'll walk.
And we'll walk our asses over to Publix and get something to eat and some cute stuff for our room.
Yeah.
So yeah. It's actually so nice.
My man will be on this bed. It's soft too.
Damn. It's so humid that it's literally like...
It's sweaty?
Yeah. Oh my god, wait, that probably ruined it. Oh no. Like, we're out here in Miami for real.
Looking for the hoochie daddy.
We already got one. Y'all. We haven't even been here for
an hour
and a half. And this man is already like
invited us to this party.
His Valentine's party with his homeboys. So. We are going to Publix. Paris has never had a pub sub, so
I'm not.
Bye. Because which way do we go?
Oh. It's so beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Oh. Like, is it humid? Oh,
like everything, no, everything is actually gorgeous.
Sure, number one in Miami.
In Miami, bitch.
Okay.
That wasn't bad though. This combo kind of eats. You ready for the rest?
Hell no.
Oh my god, the wind. I know I can't speak when the wind is there because it can't hear me. We came up here to take pictures, but the sun's not here.
It's on that pool, on that roof though.
It's on that roof though. Not this one though, but that's okay. We can try again. In the meantime, we can probably still get some good pictures. I can't lie.
I feel like we still can.
Okay, y'all. Pictures did not actually turn out good at all.
Not mad though.
Not mad,
but like
just kind of slightly upset. But it's okay because we still have a long, really night ahead of us. Honestly, we haven't even gone to dinner yet. It's 6:30, I think. And we have dinner in 2 hours. So we have all the time in the world. Plus, can't get over this view. Like, I'm sorry, but I can't get over this view. What do you mean? restaurant.
Watch this vlog like, damn, them hoes ain't take a nap.
No, we haven't actually.
No nap. And then we're gonna come back from the restroom and get ready for the motherfucking club. Throw
Get
that
ready
ass in the club.
Throw that. Get it? What?
Throw that ass in the club.
This Mexican restaurant, get something to eat. Of course, I'm gonna vlog there for you guys because I know you want to see me and Paris. But yeah, this is the fit.
This is my fit minus the hair.
No, she's going out like that.
Stop telling people. Because you believe I'm going out of my bun and I'm looking for my fucking brush. Oh, here it is.
Hey, my bad. Wait. It's so cute in here. I found this place.
Is that the devil?
I was thinking that too, like maybe voodoo?
Okay.
Oh.
I don't like that.
I don't give a fuck. Hey. Hey. Run. Oh my god. Is this even clear? Y'all. Look at my view. Like, I'm actually so sad to leave here. Even though it's literally only been one day. And, we literally have 2 more. Wait, today's Friday. We literally have 2 more days. I just went to Starbucks and got myself a little matcha latte. This is my order if any of you care. Pause to read. But I'm hungover as shit. Hence the sunglasses, cause what? I really am living the life right now, but I just wanted to give you guys an update because I don't remember where we left off, but we've been back to back to back. Yesterday was actually so long, but it was so much fun. Like, we had such a good time. Cheers, bitches. Paris is still in the hotel room taking a nap. Well, not taking a nap. She hasn't gotten up yet. It's 11:48. I'm ready to get my day started. So I just decided, you know, let me go outside. Let me get some sun. Like, our plan today is to go to Miami District Design and Wynwood, and we're gonna just shop, get drinks, all the good stuff. We're gonna have a really good time. I'm really excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair because I'm kind of sick of how it looks right now, but I don't have time to really do anything to it, so we'll see what I end up doing with that. But it just feels so good outside. Like, I'm really loving this. I miss living here, like really, really bad. Really, really, really bad. I need to charge my camera because I'm going to be vlogging today for sure. I'm kind of upset that I didn't like take my camera or like really record on here that much yesterday, but I mean, what could I say? Y'all, I'm so hungover. If I take these sunglasses off, like, I can't do it. I cannot do it. No, but actually last night was a blast. Insert clip. We had a great time. And we met some people for the first time, and they were super, super cool. And I really enjoyed spending my time with them. And me and Paris were worried because, you know, meeting people for the first time, it's scary. Especially like when you're friends with someone and they want to introduce you to their friends, it's not gonna be that weird because you're already friends with that person, and why would they befriend some weird people? But you know, people be befriending weird people, but that has nothing to do with me. End of the story. They were really cool and we had such a good time. We went to 11 and that was my first time ever being to a strip club. If y'all can see my face right now, like, it was very underwhelming. It was weird. That's what it was. But nonetheless, I'm in Miami. Like, what? So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get dressed, try to take more pictures on the rooftop now that the sun is out. Hopefully Paris can get up and get ready quick because I will leave her to go take my own pictures. But yeah, I am just really happy right now that I get to just be here, like, and I'm glad I got this time to really sit here and talk to you guys because it's been go 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 since literally yesterday morning, and I can finally sit down. We didn't get back to our hotel room, I want to say, till about 4 a.m. 4 a.m. But that's what we came here to do. And I really want to be out of here by no later than 1:30. Honestly, like, I want to be ready and out of here by 1:30. And have a blast in Wynwood and Design District. Come here, chill a little bit, and then we're going to Komodo later. So I'm very excited for today as well. Also, it's Valentine's Day, so we're gonna buy ourselves something cute, get all cute and pink and red. I'm super excited, so I'll see y'all when I see y'all.
You say something now? Yeah, girl, I can barely hear you.
I feel amazing right now.
Just call when you get in the car.
I'm so beautiful. And I'm single? I don't understand. I'm vibing so bad right now. Paris is gonna come take pictures of my ass. Oh, this ass?
You wanna eat it?
Get it from here. Wait, let me get in position.
Oh, let me take a picture.
Fit? Fit?
Fit?
Wait, why is it really, really cute in here? Ice cream! Like birthday cake? Something similar? Perfect. Perfect, I want this. A cone, a little one. Thank you so much.
experience.
Yes.
Look at Sheridan wasting all these fucking sprinkles on this ice cream. You don't need a bite of sprinkles with every bite.
Yes, I do.
It tastes like fucking shit.
Y'all can't hear me right now, but we're at Komodo. There's too many couples here right now. Like, tell them how you feel.
All niggas get money.
Y'all, but it's a vibe in here.
Fuck, it's hard out here, okay? Like 21 in Miami is hard.
Oh yeah, y'all, I did my hair.
And we did not go to the club last night.
And we didn't go to the club last night. We went to Komodo and it was good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the food was great. Damn, it's just like with my hair, like I look bald, but I don't know how to explain it. Like
I think that's how everybody be feeling with their hair slicked back.
That is true. Anyways, today we are doing a little bit of shopping and we're gonna go to the beach. And then we're going on a boat later and then we're going outside. So,
Obviously.
a long ass day ahead of us. And of course, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. What else? Damn, I wish I could recap last night, but I'm actually so tired and my brain can't even remember anything about yesterday. Except the food being really good. And the vibes were really cute as well. So.
What else was really cute?
The vibes.
Yes.
So, yeah. It's hard. Let's dig in.
Cheers.
Cheers. Looking for a white outfit for this birthday boat party that we excitedly and happily got invited to. But we're trying to find a white outfit so we don't look like this who aren't in dress code. But we're trying so hard. We went to 3 different stores now and tried on the ugliest, actually ugliest clothes. But
it's beautiful.
It's pretty outside. This is our view, like what? Yeah, cannot complain. So we're on our way to H&M. Hopefully we find something in there. If not, we only have 30 minutes. Because we gotta hit the beach, babe.
And I gotta get my skirt from Urban.
Like... finally.
Here we are, looking sexy, looking for your nigga.
The beach is gorgeous. But we only have a little bit of time to take pictures because it is almost 4:30. Yeah, I'm not even getting into that. But that building is going to cover the sun soon, so we need to hurry up.
We'll see you on the other side.
Because we will be on a boat tonight. I'm so happy right now. All I wanted to do this whole trip was come to the beach. Like, I don't want to leave. I want to stay here forever. I want to be here forever. Okay, y'all, so we made it back to Paris's house, and we're about to hit this 5-hour drive back to Texas Tech, and probably get something to eat first, but we're so tired. Literally running off 2 hours of sleep. I got my period this morning. Like, everything is just... Paris lost her wallet. Yeah, so it's kind of hectic and crazy over here, but overall update coming later because I'm tired and I'm hungry and I don't like those two things together, so. Sorry, I had to get that off. As you can see, I have made it home safely and surely. Is a couple of days later. And that was one of the greatest trips I've ever taken. I had so much fun and I was so happy the entire time. But I'm now closing out this video because I didn't record. Obviously, we were so tired. I couldn't really. And then we didn't get home until 11 p.m. So I just wanted to hit the hay after that. But please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what more you want to see. There will 100% be more vlogs to come. Definitely spring break is coming up in 3 weeks, and I will be going to Atlanta with my friends, so I will be vlogging that, so stay tuned. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you would like some more vlogs. Obviously, I love to record vlogs. This video was kind of chaotic, I will say, but it came together in the end. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.